Hi, I'm Jesse with Keystone RV, and we're out at the Hershey show until this Sunday. I'm here with Emily, the brand manager for Springdale, and we're very excited to show you the brand new 2022 282 BH. A lot of twos in there. All right, we're gonna start outside. I wanna show you some cool features that you're gonna find on the Springdale travel trailers. Across our double axle lineup, you're gonna get a power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks. This makes this trailer extremely easy to set up. You're not gonna have to get on your hands and knees, you know, with the drill and all that good stuff. Nothing manual.
That's
it's very
awesome.
easy, no fuss, no muss.
That's awesome.
Yes. The other cool thing I wanna show you on the outside of this trailer, Emily, I don't think you have any children, but I do, and they are dirty, all right? This 282 bunk allows access directly to your bathroom, so you don't have to worry about your kids tracking dirt or your guests tracking dirt through your trailer.
It's also perfect for dogs.
Absolutely.
Clean
Especially,
your dog.
yes. Especially when you go camping with kids, they usually bring friends or people are coming over with their kids. So it's nice to have that so that, you know, you don't have people walking through your trailer and seeing your trash or anything else that you might have out. Pop in, pop out. Come on inside. I want to show you guys a few cool features about the new 2022 that I think are really, really neat. All right, Emily, first impressions. What do you think?
I love the matte black.
Oh,
like,
I love it.
and this like gold accent that we have going on. I love that.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
So with the new 22 models, we did come out with a new decor. We went a little lighter on the wall boards, and we went with the matte black cabinets and the mixed metal hardware, which really I think pops against that. And then you have this kind of natural wood slide fascia, and we've tied that in here too in a lot of the countertops, on your interior doors, and then even on the shelving in the bathroom. You know, I don't think there's a whole lot of things we missed when we put this trailer together. It looks really good.
It does, very sharp.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tell me about the countertops.
All right, so what we have in all Springdale double axle trailers, you're gonna get a pressed countertop. So you don't have to worry about that T-mold or anything popping out. It's gonna be a little more durable. It's gonna be a little easier to clean. Now, we are in a bunk, so I do wanna go over some cool things about the bunk that we do have. If you look here, we have double over bunks here on the opposite side of that bathroom. These are 300-pound rated. Okay,
that's awesome.
So yeah, you can fit a couple kids up there. You can fit not two of me, but probably two of you. But the other cool thing with these bunks as well is that they all pop up. So you have additional storage for bikes, things like that. So you don't have to load the back of your truck up. You know, you have more space to store other items. The last part, when you have children, you have a lot of stuff. So I do want to highlight, we do have these cargo nets in each bunk. You know, if you've ever charged a cell phone up here or an iPad, knocks it off, hits the floor. It's much easier just to kind of jam that stuff in there, and then you have a place where you're not going to be able to elbow it or anything.
And I love that the bathroom is right there, so when the kiddos are getting up in the middle of the night, it's perfect.
Absolutely, yeah, they don't have to bother you. You're all the way up front. You will see more cargo nets here as well. So, you know, charging phones, iPads, somewhere to put the remote where you're not going to lose it.
Tell me about this table.
All right, so this is the Do More dinette table, and it actually will fold down, and you'll get a nice size sleeper here. And then we have a nice jackknife sofa here that's going to turn into a sleeper. But the cool thing too, once again, is we have additional storage located directly below that. We also have shoe storage under here. So in this Springdale 282, we have a ton of room for you to put all of your items, you know, big linen items all the way down to your shoes. And then even when you get into the master, we've done a few touches here that are really going to bump that up too.
So I see that there are double shelves here. Can you explain the thought process behind this a little
So
bit?
we're continuing the message from the rest of the trailer. We wanted to add as much storage as possible. Typically your wardrobes, there's not enough space in there for you to store your pants, your sweaters, you know, any jeans or anything like that. So what we allowed with this double shelf is, you know, you have more storage space. You can fold clothes, put them up there instead of having to pile everything into your wardrobe. And then we also have a, you know, a giant storage under here as well that will allow for you to put even, you know, bigger ticket items or tubbed items or things that you don't know if you're going to use but you might need. The last cool thing, once again with the kids, kind of tying into that bathroom, we also have a laundry chute here.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's very cool. And so
that.
it goes right through your pass-through. So, you know, at my house, typically you end up with a pile of clothes on the floor. With the Springdale, you can put a basket there and transfer those into there and get them out of sight, out of mind.
That's awesome.
Yes.
I love that.
Thank you.
I love out of sight, out of mind. So that's a nice touch.
Oh
right
yeah,
there.
I don't want people seeing my dirty clothes. Well, we just wanted to thank you guys for taking the time to watch our video. Hopefully you like the Springdale 282 as much as I do. Once again, we're at the Hershey RV show. Please come out and see us. We have a big display and we have a lot of brand new trailers. It's very exciting out here.
Yeah, we're here through Sunday, so come stop by. About 22 Springdales here, so you'll have a lot to see.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see every floor plan we build.